Implementing Agile manufacturing. Step 1. Identify customer requirements and market demands, fostering a deep understanding of customer needs and preferences. Step 2. Create cross-functional teams comprising members from different departments to promote collaboration, communication, and agility in decision-making. Step 3. Embrace a flexible production strategy that can quickly respond to changing customer demands, market trends, and unforeseen disruptions. Step 4. Implement rapid prototyping and product development methods to accelerate the design and launch of new products and variants. Step 5. Foster a culture of experimentation, encouraging employees to take calculated risks and learn from failures to drive innovation and continuous improvement. Step 6. Invest in advanced manufacturing technologies, such as additive manufacturing, 3D printing, and robotics, to enhance production flexibility and responsiveness. Step 7. Establish strong collaboration and information sharing networks with suppliers, enabling faster response times and improved supply chain coordination. Step 8. Develop a robust and agile supply chain that can quickly adapt to changes in demand, allowing for shorter lead times and reduced inventory levels. Step 9. Implement real-time data collection and analysis systems to gain insights into production performance, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. Step 10. Continuously assess and optimize processes using feedback loops and post-production evaluations, aiming for continuous learning and adaptation.